Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about inserting list in Python programming. In our last video we talked about about list is how to append, how to index and how list. Also in today we are going to talk about the inserting. What does inserting? In our last video you can see that when we appended phone, we got to the end of this video and you can see the output here. So this video we're going to append, so we're going to insert this phone to our position of our choice. I want it to be at the beginning. So that's what insert does for us. So to do that, just simple, just your shopping bag, insert. What do you want to? You can see here, you can see at the beginning we have the index. What I told you, index start from 0 to where it ends. Index 0 start from 0 1, and then object. What do you mean by any object? What do you mean by object? Object is the value you want to insert. And I want to, like I said, I want to insert it at the beginning here. So which is at index 0, right? And then the object I want to insert is the phone. So I want to insert at 0, comma, what each object I want to insert? Phone. So let's print it out and see. Sorry, let me print out the shopping bag. Why do I keep writing here? Yes, in the shopping bag and see, as you can see, phone got appended or inserted at the starting position. Unlike when we use the append, as you can see, it got at the end. In this position was at the first because specified 0 here. Let's want it to be before toothpaste, which is 0 1 2. So I'm going to put 2 right here. Then around your 2, you can see phone get before the toothpaste. So this can be of a very much use in a situation where we want to list maybe accordingly, want to get the output accordingly. So that's what we can make use of. There are a whole lot of, I can't think of one now, but there are a whole lot of them. You know how to make use of insert. And there's another one I want us to talk about in this video, which is called the to remove something. What does remove? Does remove just take a particular word and then remove it from the list? Let's say and how does it work? Just do remove the same way. Because say shopping bag, I don't like this 90 plus side right here. I just take it. Okay, so it's called remove. So remove just take a word. Says if you are finding it hard to know how a particular function works. Let's say how a function works. I just move to it, just hover over the name, and then VS Code automatically help. You can see this is a function called remove. And what does it do? It takes a variable, a value, and value can be of anything. It can, when you mean by any, it can be of any data type. It can be a number. It can be a string. So you can also say, you can also see that is a method. And which value do I want to remove? Like I want to remove this 90 plus 5. I don't like it and the list. So I'll just remove 90 plus 5. So what is going to happen here? Down here, we know that this is what we got earlier. Our phone is still going to remain at index 2, but our 90 plus dot 5 is going to disappear. So let's see the output. As you can see, 90.5 is bygone, no longer on our list. This is a way to insert a value of your choice at a particular position. This is how to remove a value of your choice on your list. So I think I've come to the end of this video. The next video we'll be talking about pop and what a del is, to delete. Just simple to delete, del, del, to delete, and what a pop is. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help to grow this channel, and also it doesn't take any money from you. Just click it. That's all. You are good to go. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to stay tuned so you learn how pop and del works.